How does the redesign of a simple cement bag increase the profits of India's largest cement manufacturer by a whopping 20%? The answer is simple: with a massive amount of effort. We started with interviews, a lot of interviews. Dealers, check. Retailers, check. Factory workers, check. Construction workers, check. Transport workers, check. Customers, double check. We then followed this humble bag through the entirety of its journey. Weaving, check. Filling, check. Transport on railway rakes, check. Transport by roadways, check. Transport on handcarts, check. Transport to dealers, check. Transport to construction site, double check. Our learnings were several. Learning number 1. Hooks damage cement bags. Damaged cement bags leak cement. Leaked cement is wasted cement. Learning number 2. Cement bags are always stacked, and stacked high, so you can't actually see whose bag it is. Learning number 3. If you can identify ACC cement, you'll buy ACC cement. Learning number 4. There is a lot of confusion regarding cement variants and their benefits, and no two customers, contractors or dealers have the same understanding of PPC, PSC or OPC. We then took what we learnt and redesigned the bag. Simple, right? Except that we also redesigned the brand architecture, the retail experience, the loading tools, intervened on filling station issues, and a whole lot more. We changed the weave of the bags because different weaves have different strengths, and we found a stronger mesh weave. We changed the composition of the bag fiber because a slight tweak to the composition goes a long way in boosting tensile strength. We recommended a substrate that was evaluated on a sliding scale of value versus performance. We redesigned the packaging to ensure each product's key attribute was clearly visible and easy to understand, because demystifying the variants is the first step to giving the customer what he wants. We redesigned the way customers navigated the retail store by creating visual elements that could be instantly understood by local labor and contractors. We created a benefit-based architecture that demystified the PSC, PPC, OPC as quick setting, water-resistant, longer-lasting, and so on. We prototyped the design of the metal hooks used by workers to lift the cement bags so as to reduce spillage. We also recommended changes to filling line processes to ensure bags burst less. Our job was to redesign cement bags, but perhaps the most satisfying aspect of the exercise, far more than the 20% increase in profits, was the fact that by reducing cement spillage, we made a significant contribution to the health of the cement workers, whose job it is to carry these bags. And you cannot put a price on that.